question paper, it says a sum of money was invested 6 years ago, earning interest at a rate of 6.7% per annum compounded annually. The investment is currently worth 96,714 Rand and 2 cents. Calculate how much was originally invested 6 years ago. You need to be very careful of compounded annually, because this will be an indicator of whether it was simple interest or compounded interest. So we have a formula that says A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of T. So A is the amount, which is 96,714 Rand and 2 cents. Right, we need to get the value of P, and value was the initial amount invested. R is the rate and T is the term. But because we aren't looking for A, we will need to rewrite our formula so that we can calculate the initial amount invested. Let's have a look at that. So I said we need to rewrite the equation because we want to get the initial amount invested and we don't want the final amount, right? So we rewrite to say P is equal to A over 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to the power of T. So the initial amount was 96,714 Rand and 2 cents. Then we have 1 plus the 6.7 is the rate because they say it's 6.7% per annum compounded. Then we have it over 100 and we have to raise it to the term, which was for 6 years. So first of all, we're going to calculate the denominator. So 1 plus 6.7 over 100 is equal to 1 plus 0.067 because we divided 6.7 by 100. Then we get the answer of 1.067 from this. But remember, we have to raise it to the power of the term, and it was for 6 years. We get an approximate value of 1.148. Now, this approximate value is the value that's going to be in the denominator, because I said this here, this section here, was just to calculate the denominator. So then we take the initial amount, the final amount, which was 96,714 Rand 2 cents, and we divide it by the approximate value that we found when we calculated the denominator. So there was approximately, it's not equal, approximately 65,097 Rand 67 cents that was invested 6 years ago for the person to get the 96,740 Rand and 2 cents as a final payment.